Welcome back to part 2, where you'll find how to take creatine the right way without getting huge. Let's go. Okay, so now we know natural creatine is in the body. You can ingest it. We know it provides performance gains. And then when we investigate all this, we come up with, is it safe? People use it. We know how it works, but is it safe? Unfortunately for us, there's been long-term studies over this. I think the studies go past my age. And they've all came out with pretty much the same conclusion that creatine is safe for the large majority of us. But you must follow the recommended regimen, which I'm going to get into next. But before we get into that, I want you to understand this simple takeaway from creatine supplementation. When we supplement, we increase the creatine, stored creatine in our body, which minimizes the depletion of stored creatine, and thus we increase our energy levels. Alrighty, with all that out of the way, if creatine still seems right for you so far, let's learn how to take this supplement properly and its potential side effects. So a typical creatine supplementation regime involves a loading dose of 20 to 25 grams daily for 5 days, followed by a maintenance dose of 2 to 5 grams per day. You can also do a loading dose of 0.3 grams per kilogram if you want to do it by body weight, and your maintenance dose for this would be 0.03 per kilogram of body weight. So you can take creatine without an initial loading dose, and your muscle creatine content will eventually reach saturation, but it's gonna take much longer. And if you just do it with the regular maintenance dose, it will build up slightly, and it'll take about 30 days as opposed to 5 days with a loading dose. And any athlete knows that if you want to get through something in 5 days versus 30 in your training, you can accomplish way more if you're already on creatine after those 5 days than to wait 30 days and then start to reap a lot of the benefits. It's important to know that when you continue the maintenance dose, your muscle creatine levels will stay at saturation. But once you stop, your muscle creatine levels will return to your baseline level in about 30 days for most of you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these videos for more information that you're gonna love. I'll see you there.